What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? It's your girl, Queen of Hair Illusion, and today I'm walking through my very first man unit install. Yes, we're growing in real time. You know, I just graduated from Pro Fresh Barber Academy last month in October, so your girl has been working in the trenches 6 months to be exact. Okay, so this is the season of leveling up the craft and the confidence. All right. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just clean off his herb concern. And my model is like that. He like no other. He was one of the people who came through the school, and he knew that, I had a medical hair loss facility in Alpharetta. So I was like, hey, would you want to be one of my models? So I can get my reps in. So he has his fan because some people get a little hot, and if we are using adhesive, we cannot have you sweating. All right, so that's where we got the little fan there for the private summers, but he ain't having no private summer. But he runs hot. Right now I'm getting my fade in, getting my little trimming. I love grooming the beard and face. That was one of my favorite things. And a bald shave to be exact. So those are my favorite things to do. So for this installation, we're going to use a 1B Afro unit. I'm using tape for majority of this install because we're not going to keep this on for long time purposes. We're just getting my reps in. I was extremely hesitant on putting this up. All right. So it's about progress over perfection. And right now, I'm just going to go ahead and create my outline, my perimeter with my markings so I can kind of know where I'm going to be putting that adhesive at. So we're going to use adhesive around the perimeter. And for the interior, we're going to use tape so it's easy to take off and clean. All right. So I'm using a Chinese pencil. For my marking, they last a long period of time, but you can use whatever you want to use. This is non-tutorial. I'm just showcasing me and my craft. So I graduated October, and we are getting in that. Look at me being a perfectionist. I'm not using alcohol. I'm using witch hazel. No. Sorry. I'm using Mercer water is what I'm using. So yeah, we're using double side no shine tape by Walker Tape, and we're going to use the Walker Tape white glue, water-based glue around the perimeter. All right, so I went ahead and did my fade already, did the beard work, and I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know in the comments what y'all feel. And it's easy sometimes to take off the tape for me with tweezers. So right now, I bought these cute little applicators that you can get from Walker Tape as well. I've been playing with all kind of different ways to apply adhesive. The brushes are okay, but they're expensive. Um, I use the brushes if I'm going to use like a silicone adhesive. And yeah, this is easy. I only use it one time. The popsicle sticks is cool, I guess, if you want to use that. But I'm a little extra. So I'm just going around, and I'm going to be using two forms of ways to record this content. I got to sped up because I don't want it to be too long. All right. So right now, this is the Afro wave unit. It looks good, but the next time I will go with the number 2, just for a better, smoother blend. I didn't get a 1, so I thought a 1B would be perfect, right? But you don't know until you get into it. So repetition gets you where you want to be as far as a master. So that's what we're doing. We just pushing it down, and this is a lace base. I did not use a polyurethane. There was no need to. Laces to me is it depends. Lace to me is easier to apply. but polyurethane lasts longer and is better for somebody who really sweats and have private summers. So this depends on what I'm doing. But for the man units, unless I'm going to use a polyurethane thin skin and like a 0.08 or something like that, then okay, cool. So right now, I'm just going through and doing my edges. I do that last, just because sometimes when you do all around, it don't, be so secure. I'm not trying to have a long hold, so I just did like 2, 3 in some spots of that adhesive. Now I'm just going with my straight razor and cutting off the excess. um the next time, I guess I was basically trying to meet him where his hair was at. The next time I would even shave it even more, like to fit the whole cranial prosthesis. Yeah, this is me with my Meta glasses. So I gotta get my reps in, y'all. So I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing tripod and I'm doing Meta glasses. Okay. So they make it look easy on the TV, but it ain't. So right now I'm just smoothing down all my seams, making sure it's nice and flush. And I'm using my comb, my razor, to just go ahead and to texturize around my perimeter. I do that first, and then I'm gonna go in with my clippers. Yeah, I could have actually used a it's like a different wave, not the Afro wave, but the one that's a little bit more looser. But I was kind of saving it for a female model, but I could still probably use it for, I mean, I still use it for a man model as well. But yeah, I just wanted to play with the Afro one because I know it's a little bit more harder to master for me. This and as far as like, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. I had to cut some of that out of the film because I was cutting for blood. I was cutting for blood with them daggone clippers. I'm gonna use my Babyliss. I had some masters, the corded ones, and that's the best one for me to attack the bulk of cutting it down. But hey, all right. So that's what we're doing now. I think I have it a 5 or a 4. Don't get on me, y'all. I have it open just so I can get through it. When you close your clippers, you're gonna cut more hair. I'm just trying to get through the bulk of it. All right. Now this is sped up. So you can only imagine that my hands, child, my hands. And you want to make sure that you're not cutting crazy into the unit. So again, it's my first time. I was having fun though. I was having a good time. And shout out to my model because he was like, "Oh, you can show my face. I got confidence. You gonna make me look younger." And that's the whole point of alopecia solutions, right? Not just servicing women who suffer from hair loss and kids who suffer from hair loss. And I never post children on this feed. So I do work with, Wigs for Kids and other organizations and give back on that. And if you shout out on my social media platforms, you might see one of them on my post. But for the most part, I don't normally post kids on my long form content. But with all that being said, here you go. We getting to it. You see the waves. You see the waves. All right, so we getting through it. We down. I'm down to a what? What am I using? Y'all, like I said, I made this video like 3 months ago. Okay, it's my birthday Sunday. Happy birthday to me, y'all. That don't mean nothing. Hey, that don't mean nothing. So right now, I'm using some hair concealer, and I'm using black. Why am I using black? I don't know. If I'd have thought about it, I could have mixed my black and my brown for a softer transition. Now I went ahead and got dark brown. So when you start getting into the hair loss game, you're gonna go broke trying to buy everything you need. So you're gonna kind of have to buy something bit by bit. So all I had was medium brown and black. If I thought about it, I would have mixed them two together, half and half, and I would have had that perfect blend. Now, I'm gonna go back and modify, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Like I'm playing with my little what is that? The little cheat thing, the ruler to get the perfect shape up. I'm using my favorite influence, Honey on my styling foam. So we can go ahead and get him underneath the dryer and get the waves going. Sorry for the bob. I try to wear a middle bob, so that's the hair that you seen with the meta glasses. But y'all can still see, can't y'all? Y'all can still see. I'm brushing the blood, brushing all the way. And also too, when it comes to alopecia, the thing I love is majority of anything that I will be doing is always an improvement compared to what they came in with. It's like when you ever see that show Botch, and they be like, when they finish the results, you be like, this is how we started, and this is how we ended. Look at all that hair on the floor, child. All right, so he like, okay, I'm digging it. I got my I got my waves back. He look fine right there, right? He look like a big daddy right there, huh? All right, let's take it off. Oh, okay. Now, on that one side, left and the right. On the right side, I'm a brush it and get that shape up even more together. Right now, I'm using a little fusion oil by influence to get a little shine, and I'm picking. All right, I'm looking at it. I'm brushing it, but I'm picking. This is my first one. I need to give myself grace, right? All right, boom. So when I apply the unit, I use the tape so it can be easy to take off. It's going to be secure still. It's still a nice hole with the tape. I'm going to shape them up. We're going to bring that hairline back to life. Listen, we're sharpening these skills every single day. So I'm not afraid to learn, adjust, and get better. This is how illusions are built. So if you want to be a model for a man unit install, drop a crown in the comments. Okay, and we connect. Let's build confidence. Let's build a community. Let's build some solutions. Oh, and the difference between doing a crown prosthesis and on a woman and a man is a woman. I'm already do shortcuts. Your sides and backs are out. We ain't fading. So when you got something that's so transparent like a fade, you ain't really got ain't no curl, ain't no feather, ain't no room to camouflage nothing. So if you're a woman and you want to crown a prosthesis too, like the area of concern is in the crown, you want something, be able to scratch your scalp. You tired of wearing a full wig when you ain't got but one area of concern. Shut your girl out. All right. So now I'm looking back like, okay, let's, okay. All right, y'all. So I'm in love with my very first man unit. There's similar things that I can always modify. He's turning around on his own. These are the best models. So if you're gonna be a model for Queen of Hair Illusions, you got to make sure you bring that energy. All right. I'm passionate. I love what I do. I'm gonna keep on knocking these units out. Catch you on the next one.